What is up? Here's a mess all over. Okay, you guys are coming through on Twitter. You should shortly come through on Instagram. As KXIN is ripping. Very nice triangle break on KXIN. Not a single person through on YouTube. Connect. Bring the YouTubers in. Slightly concerned about that. We'll give it a few more minutes. It's 45 of you guys on Twitter, but no one on YouTube. Oh, YouTube's coming in. What's up, guys? Comment. Hello, where are you from? Who are you? It's a slow day, so we can talk a little bit more today. Past 50. Love it. Comment to 60. Come on, get in. Say hello and say where you're from. If I was famous, which I am kind of famous, with penny stocks as a loser, I can speak to you guys. Hey, he's coming through. Roman, you sexy fucking Russian Spanish person. How's it going? I hope you recovered from that loss you took. How's it going, brother? Your girlfriend, pretty girl. Charlie, nice to see you, brother. It's worth saying, in case anyone watches this on YouTube or Twitter, if you sign up to Trade Zero through my referral link, I'll give you short selling data that I've previously charged people $50 to $100 for. It is free if you sign up to Trade Zero through me, just so you know. On the subject of Trade Zero, let's have a look at where we are. Not a major day today, but it's all right. I'm in the green. That's all that matters. Share screen. Screen one. I see ya. Ad boy, what's up? Hank, if who was I was just talking to Jeffy Oko, so sorry the line cut. I had a power cut. Hank, what's up? Mike, great to see you, brother. You made it. Hope you got in on BIMI shorts. I did. Actually, me Trade Zero account, as it happens. So Trade Zero, you'll all remember it started at 1,800. We're now at just short of 3,000. It was 3,600. So not the best performance with it. I doubled it, then I give some back. So I'm trading cautiously with it. Not doing anything special. I've kind of doubled the account, but we'll go through the BIMI trade. BIMI trade, I made $100 in my small account, so it's 3%, 4% growth. Missed you 2 jobless pilot on Friday. On Friday, I'll talk you through the trade. It was RWKA, RLKA or something, but that's basically in HTZ. Good job, Roman. You're doing well. Mike, what's up? Hey, John, you sexy fuck. Nice to see you, brother. Always good to see you. Lucas, I'm already your affiliate. Can I get the data? Yeah, mate, just hit us on Insta, send us your name and stuff. I'll just double check. And when you signed up, and I'll put you through. But I know the name, Lucas. Cheers, brother. I've just lost my virginity on penny stock trading, buying higher day break on KXIN. Beautiful. So, good evening from Australia. What's up, brother? It's not evening there yet, is it? Ah, of course it is. Yeah, you guys are way ahead. So it must be 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock there. Good money. So, I mean, KXIN, HTZ, KXIN, just typical long market these days. I'll quickly take you through BIMI. I mean, at the end of the day, I lost 100 on the way up and made 200 on the way down. I closed 100 off. It's just a standard chart, this. It's always full of one and dones. Like, you can see gaps and fails, runs and fails, you know what I mean? So, and I mean, just to make it clear for you guys to really see it, so we've got a bit more time. Oops, that's a vertical line. One and done. Doesn't have 2 days in a row, right? Run one and done, one and done, one and done. Like, it never has 2 days in a row. So when it gaps up here, the volume's not anything outrageous. Let's take me WhatsApp off. It's a good how are the markets? I'm on live stream now. You can see me. You can chat live. Talking to a girl who followed us years ago who lives in London. That's an interesting situation. But in terms of BIMI, it was pumped up by the Ninja. Best way to play it, I was a bit early on it, but you've got this quite easy to see trend break on the way up. As soon as the trend breaks, you know, BIMI is a history of one and done failures. You know, the volume's not too high. You know, it's been pumped up by a chat. It's a case of taking the entry as the trend breaks, starter at least 420, and then adding into any push, adding into VWAP rejection, and then you're covering on the way down. I covered at 306. I was in from the 420s, basically. I was in at the top of this, 420, 430. Not by choice. I'd cut. I was basically shorting. I shorted at first, if you want to know. If we look at this more closely, I was first short. As I say, it's got a history of one and dones. So this is how this chart plays. First thing I'm thinking is this is a lower high, and it's a one and done chart. There's not a lot of volume. I'm thinking it's done here. I'm thinking this is a lower high. There's a bit of a wick there. It's topping out. And then when it breaks the high of the day, I know just fucking leave it. Leave it till the open. Don't revenge trade. Don't get out and get back in, because that's when you take your biggest losses. So and then I did revenge trade, and I got away with it. To be fair, to be honest, to not lie to you guys. So I was like, oh, it shouldn't go much higher. It's starting to look a bit toppy, but I was kind of revenge trading KXIN. And then look, I just basically followed the trend down. Trend is your friend. Trend trading is a very profitable strategy. F1 does it as well. When you're breaking this trend, I was just out basically like 305, 306 from the 420. So 20%, about 20%, 200 shares, not a big position, $800, 20%, $100. Made, well, 200. I don't know how the math is, but it is what it is. HTZ is the first stock I've ever seen in 5 years to trade $1 billion volume. Terrible chart. I think Tango Baker was saying fundamentally something changed with the news. This is potentially a fucking huge squeeze, by the way. So it's traded $1 billion volume. It's good to see stocks to trade's got the volume rate on it. It's traded $1 billion volume, 1 billion. I've never seen that in my life. And where's that? We can draw this line across. The internet's starting to fail. Oh. Yeah, okay, we're okay. Phew. Please say okay. I know I've got a lot of stuff running. Okay, hang on. Please don't fail. Them lines are wrong. So let's see where yesterday's high was. Is it around here? So yeah, so yesterday's high, was it the 270s? Nah, it was. Yesterday's high was 284, right? It's now 273. The high is 284. It broke this line pre-market. It's broke it again. So it's like, it's quite bearish now. Like, this could be the end of it. Top, top, top. You've got a clear triple top. Now, the key is it going to be a triple top and it's done, which I don't think so because it's traded 200 million, or will it respect this long trend line off the base? You've got the bottom, you've got the high low, and you've got the high low, and this candle might buy up. So if the candle starts buying up, it starts consolidating. If you get that 290, you get that 1 p.m., 2 p.m. break on HTZ, it will fucking run. I wouldn't be rolling over to say this is a short yet. You've got the triple top. It's a short indicator, but you've also got the higher lows, which is a long indicator. So the question is, which trend line do we follow? Are we following this trend line of the lower highs, or following this trend line of the higher lows? And we will see it will break through this one or fall through that one. It's just a case of waiting. I mean, if it does break through this trend line, again, your ideal shorts in the triple top and the threes. It's not my favorite short to be letting this break this trend line and then taking it even lower, because like, yeah, there's too much volume for it to really drop anyway, unless it had some terrible news. So what's up, Yvonne? How's it going? Nice to see you back. Hope you're learning. Hope work's okay at the dentist place. Mike, what's up, guys? Can you just tell us everything's running okay and stuff? I'm a bit worried. What's your real Insta account? There's a lot of people that I'm not there yet, so I need to find you. Stephen Junk 87, STEPHENGONK 87. Stephen Junk 87. Good Monday. Good evening. Yeah, so I'm hoping I'm moving around and I think I'm okay. But look, HTZ is a really good long. I made some money on EDSA. I think it's not going to work, guys. The software's slowing down a bit. I'll try and just show you the one trade that I took that made some money. Made like a couple of hundred on EDSA. Fuck's sake. Let's do that. So EDSA is like history of like same thing, right? It's like everything's running good, cool. Gap and crap, gap and crap, gap and crap, gap and crap, gap and crap. You can see all these one and dones. It's like my favorite kind of chart. And then like, but then this gap and crap, super gap and crap, because it's a big gap and crap. It's much higher than this one, and there's a lot of volume behind it. So on this day, when it's got no volume, you think, well, these bag holders are eventually going to panic and sell. So I was short pre-market. I shorted into the push. I shorted the break of the higher day, and then I covered. Sadly, in like the 930s, I had no idea it was going to unwind to the 7s, but this kind of setup with this high volume resistance tends to unwind more than you think. So that's EDSA, and the only other trade that was worth telling you guys about was like NNDM. Like, I'm getting much better with longs. I'm getting much better with higher priced stocks. NNDM's not higher priced, but I caught this breakdown basically. Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. I'll just show you a bit better. Look, I do this over and over. So with NNDM, you've got this descent. I'm just playing patterns all the time. It's this descending triangle, and it looked like it was going to snap, so I just took it. So you've just got this descending triangle here. I'll zoom in so you guys can see it a bit better. Just snap. Just as shortening here in the 5s. It's up from the 1s. It had a big wick rejection yesterday. We've got a descending triangle day. It's just basic pattern recognition. You don't need to really know the fundamentals on this one. KXIN. Fucking hell, what is going on with that? KXIN. I interviewed Chris Verma. I think he took a couple of losses on this. It's been a bad stock for him, but it's Chinese, I think. It's just like crazy breakout unexpected, and another crazy breakout unexpected day on the 450s. Now it's in the 7s, and I mean, I remember when I was a brand new trader, and it's what you guys who are new will do as well. Like, it's not the worst strategy to, like, when the stock is just relentlessly going higher and higher and higher, it's not bad to just buy the flag breaks. But yeah, I'm sorry guys, it's not working well. But I'll just give you a quick update on how I'm doing. Like, took some daft losses in the month, otherwise I should be up about 2 or 3 grand. Just on quiet days, I've just got frustrated and just like took for stuff, and I'm really focused on the last 2 weeks not to have any bad red days of over 1,000. Just trade a bit smaller, and like I say, I'm not doing really great, but I'm up on the month by like a couple of hundreds. I'm up on the year like 42k. I just need to make this loss back, and I'm at all-time highs. It's been a slow few months, but I'm just adapting and trying my best. And $250, is that what I made today? 250, 230 bucks, 180 quid. It's a lot of money in England, so I'll take it. And again, just a quick reminder, If you want to use Trade Zero, click me link and I'll send you the data. For the guy that mentioned the data, send us the message on Instagram and I'll send you it once I've double checked you're on the affiliate. But Trade Zero are pretty good for shorting. If you're international, fuck me, it's like $500 account, 6-to-1 leverage, all the hard to borrow stocks. I've flipped many 500 accounts into 5 grand, 10 grand, 15 grand using Trade Zero. Peace and over and out.